Hi, my name is Dilip Bagal. I'm a partner in the firm called Chandana Graphics and Siddharth Offset. The company was started in the year 1986 by my father, Dilip Bagal. We have been in the printing business, commercial printing business, for the last 36 years. We print for most of the pharmaceutical companies in India. We are winners of more than 50 national as well as international print awards for excellence in printing. My father started with a single color Heidelberg machine in the year 1986. I joined in the year 2010 and I've been in the business for the last 14 years. Like I said, we work with most of the pharma companies in India. We work with almost the top 20 pharma companies in India, like GSK, Cipla, Abbott, Sun Pharma. We also work with a lot of advertising agencies and a lot of tile companies in India. So this is our overall clientele. Well, we have been Heidelberg loyalists for the last 36 years. As I said, my father invested in the Heidelberg press and we've been working with Heidelberg since then. We were very hesitant in the beginning to invest in the Komori machine, but we met with the sales team of Komori and they were extremely helpful in explaining us the details. Mr. Avtar Singh, he personally visited our place and he actually explained why the Komori Enthrone series is much better than investing in the Heidelberg press. Also, we knew that Komori has around 60% market share in India for brand new machine installations, and installing in a Komori was a no-brainer for us. So that is the reason why we invested in a Komori machine. The reason why we invested in the Enthrone series is because we are mainly into the commercial printing, and due to the compact nature of the machine and due to the space constraint, since we operate in the heart of Mumbai, the machine perfectly fit into our requirements. We actually saved a lot of space in a working environment due to the compact nature of the machine. This was one of the reasons, and also the robustness of the machine is the reason why we invested in the Komori Enthrone press. Since we work with the top pharma companies in India, quality is very important for us. We saw the quality on Komori machine before buying. We actually did a market research around us. We actually printed a few jobs on other Komori machines to see the quality, and we were very happy with it. Due to this, after the installation of the Komori machine, our clients were extremely happy with the quality. They were extremely satisfied with the quality of the jobs. Due to this, we got a lot of recurring orders from our clients. Also, since the make-ready time in Komori is very short, we could actually take out a lot of jobs within a short period of time. Therefore, the delivery schedules to the clients were very quick. This is the reason, one of the main reasons why we actually invested in a Komori machine. Also, even for long-running jobs, we actually printed 1.5 lakh sheets in a shift of 24 hours. Therefore, Komori is such a robust machine that we can also print short runs in a very short time, and also for long-running jobs, it is an excellent machine. Since the installation of our first Komori machine, our top line actually grew by 30%. So that is a very good thing for us. We were very impressed by the after-sales service of the Komori team. They were very prompt in answering any doubts over phone calls, any small teething issues. They were extremely prompt in solving our doubts. Once the machine came on the docks, they actually installed the machine in 1.5 weeks, which was remarkable. First production sheet we actually took on within 10 days, so which was very good. Also, the second machine which we installed, the production started within 5 days, because since our people were already trained on that machine. So I would say that the after sales service and the Komori engineers is excellent in India, and I would really suggest people to invest in this machine. Well, after installation of the Komori machine, we had absolutely zero breakdowns till now. Our production actually increased by around 40%. We could deliver jobs to client in short time. As a customer, I'm extremely satisfied with the Komori machine. And since being a Heidelberg loyalist, now I've become a Komori loyalist and hope to become a Komori loyalist in the future also.